my friend, one thing I hate people like you to tell you intelligence. Understand? Don't ever insult my intelligence. I'm smarter than you and your boss. Okay? I'm smarter than you and your boss. You are telling me that. When we close to people there, you release all the bills from the warehouse. That's why people have said, listen, you have been listening to, you have been listening for all along. But today, why are you still here? You guys, your brain is Malawians, and you are doing this now. I know that my people have been here this morning. Listen, you're setting bills in the middle of crisis, but again, you're setting practice as a matter of what? As a matter of rationing. What would it Matores, ética, vindo de matores. Para mí, matores, matores. Kuti. That's now I don't care about that. All right? Don't tell me that. Don't insult my intelligence. Papa, don't insult my intelligence. This is bad. If you are Malawian, just keep quiet. All right? Okay. I said, just bring it. Look. Let's take for the bell. I put it. Don't let me get around. I'm not going to no. Since now, when the trial was coming here, we took videos. We were with the videos. So don't lie to me.